Did you know? 80% of your productivity comes from just 20% of your efforts. Imagine this. The majority of people only use a fraction of their time productively, yet that small fraction often generates the greatest results. Here's a surprising statistic. According to research, the wealthiest 1% of people on the planet control over 40% of the world's wealth. How do they do it? It's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter and using every tool at your disposal to increase productivity. And today, we'll dive into Jim Rohn's incredible productivity hacks that will help you not just be busy, but truly effective in your journey toward financial independence. Plus, I'll show you how you can incorporate AI tools into your routine to supercharge your results. Welcome to today's video, Jim Rohn's Secrets to Productivity and Time Management, a guide to financial and personal development. If you've ever listened to Jim Rohn, you know that he was more than just a motivational speaker. He was a master at turning simple concepts into powerful, life-changing strategies. His principles on productivity have helped countless people achieve financial freedom. In today's fast-paced world, staying productive has never been more important. But here's the thing. Productivity isn't just about cramming as much work as possible into your day. It's about focusing on the right tasks that lead to growth, both personally and financially. I'll share how you can implement Jim Rohn's timeless wisdom while also leveraging modern tools like AI to maximize your results. Whether it's using task management software or even AI-driven assistants, integrating these tools can transform your daily routine. By the end of this video, you'll have a full understanding of how to stay focused, overcome distractions, and use modern technology to fast-track your path to financial freedom. So, let's get started. Now, before we dive into the solutions, let's address the challenges. Productivity is hard. Many of us struggle with it daily. You know what I'm talking about. Procrastination, distractions, and sometimes just the overwhelming nature of the tasks at hand. Let's break down a few common problems. Procrastination. We all know the feeling of putting off important tasks for later, convincing ourselves that we work better under pressure. But often, this leads to rushed work and subpar results. Lack of focus. In an age of constant notifications, social media, and endless emails, staying focused on one task seems nearly impossible. Unclear goals. It's easy to lose motivation when you're not sure exactly what you're working towards. Without a clear target, your productivity can plummet. Actionable tip. Take a moment right now and think of one task you've been putting off. Write it down and set a timer for just 25 minutes to work on it without any distractions. This is a strategy called the Pomodoro technique, and it's a great way to push through procrastination. Now that we've acknowledged the problems, let's look at how Jim Rohn's productivity principles can help solve them. Jim was all about intentionality and being proactive in your personal and financial development. Here are 3 of his key productivity hacks that you can start using today. Set clear, measurable goals. Jim Rohn famously said, "You cannot change your destination overnight, but you can change your direction." This is where setting clear, specific goals comes into play. When you have defined goals, you know exactly where to direct your energy. Whether it's saving $10,000 by the end of the year or building a side hustle, goals give you purpose. Actionable tip. Write down your top 3 financial or career goals. Break them into smaller, actionable steps and assign deadlines to each. This makes large goals feel more manageable and keeps you on track. Prioritize your tasks. One of Jim's favorite ideas was about the importance of focusing on high-value activities. Instead of spreading yourself thin, he emphasized the need to prioritize the tasks that truly move the needle. Actionable tip. Apply the 80-20 rule, also known as the Pareto principle. Focus on the 20% of tasks that will give you 80% of your results. For example, if you're trying to advance your career, focus on networking with key contacts or learning high-impact skills. Maintain discipline. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment, said Rohn. It's not enough to set goals. You have to show up consistently, even when you don't feel like it. Actionable tip. Develop daily habits that support your long-term goals. Start with something simple, like committing to 30 minutes of focused work every morning on your most important task before checking emails or social media. Here's the most powerful hack of all: the magic of setting daily intentions. Jim Rohn often talked about how your days are your life in miniature. If you can control your day, you can control your life. Setting daily intentions before your day begins helps you stay focused on what matters most. Personal anecdote. I remember when I first tried this. I was overwhelmed with a long to-do list, feeling like I wasn't making real progress toward my financial goals. But once I started writing down just 3 key priorities each day and focusing on them, everything changed. My productivity skyrocketed, and I felt more in control of my time. So take a moment at the start of each day to ask yourself, what are the 3 most important things I want to accomplish today? Let's recap. Today we talked about Jim Rohn's powerful productivity principles: setting clear goals, prioritizing high-value tasks, maintaining discipline, and the magic of daily intentions. These strategies, when applied consistently, will transform how you work and lead you on the path to financial and personal freedom. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your favorite productivity tip or something you're struggling with right now. Also, make sure to check out my other videos on personal development and self-motivation, where we go even deeper into setting yourself up for long-term success. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos. See you next time.